Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set custom duration in second for scene in Vyond video editor. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our scene. So we are going to set custom duration in second. So there is one option, you can set duration like this. So you can increase or decrease, but we are going to set custom duration. Now you see scene setting, so click on it, and then in scene setting you see duration, so you can set 12 seconds and then click on it. Now you see duration increase, again select scene. Now you see duration 7.792. now make it 15 and then click on it. Now you see 15-second duration for this scene in Vyond video editor. So you can set custom duration. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.